employer should have a written hazard communication program at your workplace, and there must be someone responsible for keeping it up to date. Familiarize yourself with the program and understand how it's implemented in your facility. This written HazCom program lists all of the hazardous materials at your site. It explains how your employer informs you and your coworkers about new and existing hazards. It also notes the location of MSDSs for each material and who is responsible for updating them. And finally, it includes information on hazards, safe handling, and recommended personal protective equipment. Thousands of workers per year experience injury, illness, disease, or fatalities related to a chemical source. By being aware of the potential hazards of the chemicals that are purchased and used in your environment, you become one of the millions that remain safe and healthy. Remember these safety tips when dealing with chemicals. All chemical containers must be properly labeled. This includes the original manufacturer's packaging as well as secondary packaging, such as spray bottles. Be sure to read the label and MSDS before starting any procedure. Know where the MSDSs are located in your facility, as well as how to read and understand each MSDS for the products you come in contact with, especially new ones. Always wear recommended personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as gloves and goggles. You'll find them listed on the product's label and material safety data sheet. Read and understand your employer's HazCom program designed for your facility. If possible, use a chemical management system, such as Betco's Green Earth 2XL. Chemical management systems are an effective way to reduce chemical exposure. They limit contact with concentrated chemical products and ensure accurate product dilution. In summary, you should remember the following. You have the right to know about the chemical hazards within your workplace. There are 3 important parts to hazard communications: labeling, MSDSs, and worker training. Your employer should have a written HazCom program available for you to review. All chemical containers must be properly labeled. Always wear the recommended personal protective equipment. Always read and understand labels and MSDSs for the products that you use. Remember, you have the right to safe and healthy working conditions, and you have the right to know about any and all of the hazardous materials you work with. Be proud that you and your employer have taken the time to learn more about OSHA HazCom and use your knowledge to make a difference in creating a safe, clean, and healthy environment.